I'm using 6B pencil. Before we begin, what we're going to do is we're going to do this trick right here like that. Not all over, not all over this spot, but most likely in some area. We're going to do that when we get here. We make it like that when we get here, longer, okay, just like that. And when we get down here, we do almost the same thing, but we go out of the line, and then we do that for now. When we get here, we just do that for now. Now we got both sides from the top, each corner ready. Now we're gonna start from here. The way it goes, from the bottom it's a little bit bigger, and then when we get to the end of the top, it's smaller. Big from the bottom and small from the top. You see this? But right here, you usually sometimes some of them like goes like that. They make a little bit curves. They're a bit curvy, and sometimes some of them across the other, like this, like this, like that. Like right here, it's already good. You can add a little bit one right here, just like that, and then you're good. It's usually when it's fake, it's a lot, and it's longer. But if it's natural, it's gotta be a little bit short, so it doesn't really like, it stays like below this line when it's natural. When it's fake, it goes all the way longer. You get it? We keep going, okay? Don't forget the curves. All right. When we start getting from the middle, like now we're close to the middle, which is here, the curves is gonna be less right now. It's going to be more straight. But from the bottom right here, that's why I made these curves. Before that, from the bottom right here, it's still going to be curvy. But when you get to the top, it's like, it looks like it's going straight right now. Okay, like that. And when you are approaching the other side, it start going curvy again. And then since you're gonna get the corner, it's going to be more curvy. And usually right here, there's more hair from that side. So you make sure you get it right, and don't be doing too much. I think this one is too long, and sometimes some of them go so curvy. Okay. now for the ones from the bottom, it's more simple than that, you know. For the one from the bottom, don't start from here. Always start from here, the second line, which is this line. Big and small. The ones from the bottom always less than the one from the top. And the one from the bottom always look like they're a little bit wet for some reason. But they're not really wet. It's the same technique, but usually some of them like doesn't really stay in the same place at the same place, okay? It's like some of them are on the top like this and some of them are below, just like that. Just like that. But they're still following the same technique, which is when you get to the middle, you're going straight.